What is up, everybody? My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about, do you need pressure washing business insurance if you are just getting started in your pressure washing business? I get asked this question a lot, especially from younger guys who want to start their pressure washing business, so I figured I would go ahead and make a video about it, talk about it a little bit, as well as let you guys know what I did whenever I first started my business. But before we get into that, I do want to mention that if you guys are interested in starting a pressure washing business and you don't know the difference between soft washing and pressure washing, check out the first link in the comment section and the description. Myself, Mike Vidayan, Cody from Southeast Soft Wash, and Aaron from Aaron's Lean and Mean Academy recently released a course called How to Wash, and it covers everything from chemicals and ratios to equipment, and it'll show you how to properly clean every residential surface that you're going to come in contact with on a job, as well as a bunch more. So if you're interested, check out the link below. But without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the video. So, do you need pressure washing insurance if you're first starting out in your pressure washing business? Short answer to this is going to be yes. You're going to need business insurance as well as a business license. Anytime you're on someone else's property and you are performing a service, you should have the proper insurance to protect yourself in the event that anything would ever go wrong. Now, I started a series on the channel about pressure washing mistakes so that I could kind of showcase to you guys some of the different things that could potentially go wrong on a job. And a lot of these circumstances, there were a few $1,000s worth of damage to property that the person who was doing the washing was responsible for. So I say this because whenever I first started, I didn't have a few $1,000s for equipment, much less to make a mistake on someone's property. So you can see how having a little bit of insurance can be very beneficial for you from that perspective. With that being said, if you guys do need business insurance, check out the second link in the comment section and the description. That is going to take you to get a free insurance quote so that you can see about how much it's going to cost for your particular circumstance, because it ranges depending on how many jobs you do and how much liability you have and all that kind of stuff. So if you want to check that out, check out the second link in the comment section and description so you guys can kind of get an idea for what the cost would be to you and your business. So now that we've spoken about the right thing to do in your business, let's go ahead and talk about what I did whenever I first started. So I don't recommend anyone do this, but whenever I first started, I was washing friends and family's houses for money. I was using my dad's washer because I didn't really have any money. And for the first few months, I just did it without having any insurance. One, because I wasn't washing anyone's house that I didn't know. And two, I wasn't sure if this was really something that I wanted to do yet. But as I got more experience and I started to learn my equipment and my pricing, and then I was trying out some marketing techniques like with flyers and things like that, I decided that this was something that I wanted to pursue and keep going with. So then I went ahead and got covered by the insurance. And for me, I always knew that if something went wrong on a family member's house or a friend's house, I could get out of it, or I could figure out another solution to the problem other than me giving up thousands and thousands of dollars. So that's one of the benefits of leveraging friends and family first. And that's basically what I tell you guys here on the channel. Leverage the people that you know first, so that way you can practice, get those before and after pictures, dial in quoting, practice your advertising skills, and then once you realize that this is something that you really want to do, you can get insurance on it, which is what I did. Obviously, this is not business advice. This is not legal advice. My advice to you would be, if you're going to be performing a service for anyone at anyone else's property that you do not own, get business insurance as fast as possible. But this is just what I did. I leveraged friends and family first, and until I realized this is something I wanted to do, I didn't have insurance. I took the risk, I took the chance, and if you do the same, that's up to you, but I'd suggest that you get insurance, obviously. So if you made it this far in the video, comment down below insurance, and I'll hashtag you a real one. I know this one was kind of short and kind of boring, but I get asked this question so much, I figured I would go ahead and give you guys some insight on the matter. So if you need insurance, or if you just want to see how much it would cost, check out the second link in the comment section description. But my name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed, and until next time, hustle hard and get that money, baby. Peace.